Hello, science fans! Today we're diving into a topic suggested by one of our awesome subscribers, the periodic table of elements. The periodic table isn't just a classroom chart, it's the ultimate map to everything in the universe. It shows us what everything is made of, from the air we breathe to the stars above. Our mission? To decode this chart and make it simple, fun, and fascinating. We'll break it down step by step, starting with the basics, atoms and elements, and see how they fit together. Science is for everyone, and your questions fuel our journey. So put on your thinking caps. We're about to unlock some of science's deepest secrets. As we go, think about what sparks your curiosity. Let's start with the most fundamental question. What is an element? Imagine a box of Lego bricks. Each color is a different element. You can build anything, but you can't break a red brick into something simpler. That's what an element is. A pure substance that can't be broken down by chemical means. Elements are made of atoms, the smallest unit of each element. What makes one atom different from another? The number of protons in its nucleus. This is the atomic number. Hydrogen has 1 proton, helium has 2, carbon has 6. That's how we tell them apart. The atomic number gives each element its unique spot on the periodic table. Why do elements matter? Because they combine to form everything. Water, H2O, salt, NaCl, the air we breathe, and even us. Oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen make up most of our bodies, with a dash of others like calcium and iron. These simple building blocks create the complexity of our world. Every material, living or non-living, starts with these elements. Understanding them is the first step to understanding everything else. Ready to see how they're organized? Let's move on. With over 100 elements, we need a system. Enter the periodic table. Dmitri Mendeleev arranged elements by atomic weight and noticed repeating patterns, or periodicity. The table is organized in rows, periods, and columns, groups. Each row adds a new energy level for electrons, like adding floors to a building. Elements in the same group have similar properties because they have the same number of outer electrons. For example, noble gases on the far right are all unreactive because their outer shells are full. The table isn't just a list. It predicts how elements behave and even helped scientists discover new ones. Mendeleev left gaps for elements yet to be found, and his predictions were spot on. The periodic table reveals the hidden order of the universe. It's a powerful tool for scientists everywhere. Now let's meet some of its most interesting families. On the far left, Group 1, are the alkali metals, like lithium, sodium, and potassium. Super reactive, soft, and vital for life. On the far right, Group 17, are the halogens, fluorine, chlorine, iodine. They love to grab electrons and form salts. Chlorine keeps pools clean. Fluorine protects your teeth. In the center, transition metals like iron, copper, gold, and silver. Strong, shiny, and essential for construction, wiring, and jewelry. Iron builds our cities. Copper powers our homes. Gold and silver have been prized for ages. Finally, the noble gases, helium, neon, argon, are stable and unreactive. Helium makes balloons float. Neon lights up signs. Each family has its own personality and role in our world. The periodic table is like a neighborhood, with each group bringing something unique. Understanding these families helps us see the big picture. Every element has a story. Which one will you explore next? We've covered the basics of the periodic table and met its elemental families. It's more than a chart. It's a map to the universe's building blocks. Science is a conversation, and now it's your turn. What elements fascinate you? What questions do you have? Drop your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. Your curiosity could inspire our next adventure. Next time you look at the world, remember, you're made of stardust, forged in ancient stars. Keep asking questions and stay curious. If you enjoyed this, share, and subscribe for more science journeys. Thanks for joining me. And remember, science rules.